They rise like an ancient wall stretching along the western edge of India. Older than the Himalayas and among the world's great mountain ranges, the Western Ghats, or as we call them here, the Sahyadris. For me, these mountains are more than just hills and forests. They are alive, beating with life in every direction. The rivers, the forests, the villages, even the silence here feels like it has a pulse. That's why I'm here, to ride through the Sahyadris, to slow down, to discover the stories tucked away in these valleys and trails. Forgotten villages, old rituals, places most of us just pass by without noticing. This is the Solo Sahyadri series, and this is where it all begins. Welcome to Solo Sahyadri. I am right now in Kanyakumari. I can see the Vivekananda rock at the distance and it is absolutely beautiful here. This is also the place where Western Ghats is starting from, and I can't wait to go out there and explore the Western Ghats. Kanyakumari, other than all of these beaches and the Vivekananda rock, the sunsets and the sunrises, the landscape of Kanyakumari is absolutely spectacular. If you are coming here, spend some time at the beach, you would probably miss the wild side of Kanyakumari. So, you might have noticed that there's no luggage because I reached in Nagarkoil yesterday. I got a room there. I left all of my luggage in Nagarkoil and came here today morning. So that's what happened. So the ride actually started. This place is actually only, what do you say, 70-80 kilometers from my home. I started from home yesterday 3 o'clock or something, and then I got here in Nagarkoil and took a room in Nagarkoil and came to Kanyakumari today morning. Bro, the sun hits hard so early in the morning here. Like it's only 8:30 and see the light? It's very harsh already. Okay, let's follow this. Monday morning and I'm the only one here, it seems. Normally it's not like this. One of my friends, Nandu, recommended this place to me. So I don't even know whether it's allowed to come here, because I can't see anybody here, like anybody. Normally Kanyakumari is not like this at all. So can you see the Vivekananda rock? I can see a silhouette of the Vivekananda rock. Can you see the Vivekananda statue from here? If you can see, that's it. There's nothing more. Oh, there's no entry. I can't take the bike inside. Anna, bike ulla poma. Poma. Okay. Oh, Goda. Okay, thank you. So I can take you close to the Vivekananda rock, I hope. In my head, Vivekananda rock is a lot more further into the ocean, lot more deep into the ocean, but it's just so close. It's just that it's in the ocean, it's in the water. But other than that, I mean, come on, Hoi hoi, should I go all the way? Let's see. That's it. I'm not gonna go near the Vivekananda rock. There's no point, right? We are here for the living, breathing stuff. Oh my god, okay. Living, breathing stuff, which is the Western Ghats. This land still carries the spirit Kerala once had, but lost along the way. Back when this region was part of the Travancore state, Kerala moved on, becoming more commercial, more urban. But here in the Tamil Nadu side, in places like Nagarkol, Takkale, Aralvaimozhi, that old spirit still survives. Most of the people here are farmers, and that's the beauty of it. The connection to the land, to tradition. Beyond farming, they are deeply religious, holding on to countless beliefs and superstitions. Walk through any street or trail and you'll find a small temple tucked away. And all of this together weaves into a culture that makes Kanyakumari one of the most unique corners of this world. Nagarkol is one of the places that I love watching sunrises from. You will see epic sunrises here. Epic. Look at that. Wow. A couple of monkeys. Wow. Very small temples. The temple for Kalyangat and Neeli is here. Even that is here. Huh? Kerala? Uh-huh.
1 kilometer இருக்கும் அது.
ஏது இதா? ஓ.
1 kilometer இங்க இருந்து பார்த்தா.
So we are moving from here, from Kanyakumari. No, probably we are not leaving the district of Kanyakumari, but we are going towards the northern side of Kanyakumari, which is where the forest is, which is where the, you know, Western Ghats is. We can actually come back in the evening, by evening actually, and probably just ride around here for some time. But right now, under this hot burning sun, we can't do much, you know. We have to get some shelter, and that shelter is going to be the forest. So we're going to go straight to Pechipare Dam. There is this place called Kodiar. I've been there once before on my expulse with my friends, but yeah, since this is a, you know, Western Ghats series, I have to go there again. And it's been some time since I've been there, so I don't know how things are. You can see the pond on both the sides. Like there are these lilies also, water lilies, and you can see the mountain backdrop, and there's a church. Wow, it's beautiful. You see how the landscape has changed dramatically and quickly, right? This looks a lot like Kerala now. The Pechipare Kodiar, if you want to enter, is only till 3 o'clock. So after that you can't really enter. So I just put petrol because If you don't have enough petrol, you will be in trouble, because here onwards, this is Kulasekaram. From Kulasekaram onwards, you won't find any petrol stations, so keep that in mind if you're coming this side. Go there, straight up.
இதில் போகிற ஒரு பாயிண்ட் அதில் ஸ்ட்ரைட் போனீங்கன்னா போதே
தெரியும், பூ இருக்குண்ணா.
எப்படி போனீங்கன்னா
Now, there are two places where we can go. One is Tripparappu waterfalls and another one is Kodiar from here. Right now this road goes straight to Kodiar. There's a checkpost before Kodiar. If they allow me to go inside, I can go. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to. So I really hope that they allow me inside the Kodiar forest. Fingers crossed. So that's 100 rupees I paid here. 50 rupees for the camera, 50 rupees for the entry fee. I got the permission, thank you. Like, what a change of scenery, what a change of setting, right? With just 30 kilometers away, we saw all of that paddy fields and big boulders and mountains and stuff like that. And now all of a sudden it's this thick, dense forest. The forest guard at the checkpost asked me not to take any detours. What? The road to Kodiar from Pechipara is absolutely stunning. It's so breathtaking, and I'm the only one here. It's so desolate. I have not seen a lot of people except the locals, and views like this. I couldn't go past the twin falls and there was barely any water in them. But I wasn't disappointed. The journey itself was worth it. And deep down, I knew this was only the beginning of a much longer story waiting to unfold. Some stories are not meant to be rushed. They unravel slowly at their own pace while we wait and listen. And for me, the most important part of any journey is already done, the beginning. From here, I leave it to the road to tell the rest. That evening, I rode back to Nagarkoil with the mountains still whispering promises of what's to come.